So I spent a heap of time yesterday cutting the clear back, getting the buff out, giving it a polish. It's about 3 hours of sanding, 3 hours with a buff, so quite a big day. I'm sort of at the end of it. Had it out there, fired it up, put it out in the sun, enjoying that for a minute. Took it for a quick lap up and down the street. Just still bedding the brakes in, getting everything sorted out there. That was great. Shift's nice, everything's coming together quite well. Still waiting for a tune. That was supposed to be this coming Monday. That's been pushed back a week for the tuner ran out of time. But of course, sitting here, I'm just letting it idle, doing a heat cycle, or pretty much, and just seeing where it's going to be happy to idle for temperature. And it's sitting around the 187, 188 Fahrenheit, which is, sitting there nice. Fans are on, just holding it there. And pulled it back into the garage, and just, as I do at the moment, just put my head underneath and I saw a drip. It was coming off the front of the bell housing. And I was thinking, oh shit, here we go. And it's dripping very slowly. Well, not real slowly, it was a 100mm wide puddle on the ground already. And of course, turned out it's the bloody heater core leaking, which is quite frustrating. Get to the point here, I already had it sealed up, was working. Slight heater core leak, so ordered another one. But the original one, just given up. It's only just right down here in the corner. You can see an old blob of solder or something down there, someone's had to go out in the past. That must have given up. It was just enough of a drip to just under pressure push out. So I've ordered another heater core. Hopefully that gets here this week because the tuner's the following Monday. If not, I'll have to bypass the heater core for the tune. And see how that goes. But 2 steps forward, 1 step back, I suppose. All in all, I was quite happy with the way the clear came up. Not too bad. Never sprayed 2-pack before, so it's interesting getting the clear down and working out gun settings and whatnot. But it's definitely going to be nice for a cruiser. It was never going to be a show car. I just wanted a tough streeter I could play with at the track and whatever else, and take the kids out for a cruise. Should be the benefit of having a injected motor with a tough motor, I suppose. It's whilst the carby will still get you the peak power, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to transition from cruise to wide open throttle, whereas the injected, you can just tune that into it. It's not too hard to do at all. Well, quick update on that one. Hopefully this heater core gets here and I can get this thing back together. Gonna have a crack at re-trimming my crash pad today. It's the original one out of the car. It's actually not in bad nick. Given a bit of a trim up here. Did have the busted corner on it, so I had a spare crash pad. I've just taken that off and glued that on there. The back of it's actually not too bad. All the studs are intact. We've got some Roebuck vinyl. Matches everything else in there. So I'll give that a crack, see how that turns out. Hopefully it's not too bad. Like that, we're just going to put an order in and wait the 8 to 10 weeks from Dash Original. But a little bit more progress.